Hi everyone, welcome. In our last three videos, we've been working with the verb haben in the present tense in German. Our last three lessons were very important, so if you haven't watched those, you might want to go back and watch them. In this video, we're going to learn how to ask questions with haben, yes or no questions in the present tense. To ask a yes or no question in German with a verb in the present tense, it's very simple. All you have to do is reverse the word order. So for example, ich habe, I have, becomes habe ich. Habe ich means do I have. Du hast, you have. Hast du, do you have. Hat, he has, becomes hat does he have. Sie hat, she has, becomes hat sie, does she have. Sie haben, you have, becomes haben sie, do you have. For our plural subject pronouns, we have, wir haben, becomes haben wir, do we have. Ihr habt, you have, becomes habt ihr, do you have. Sie haben, you have, becomes haben sie, do you have. Sie haben, they have, becomes haben sie, do they have. Now that you know how to form the questions, let's look at some examples. Do you have a dog? Haben Sie einen Hund? Do you have a cat? Haben Sie eine Katze? Do you have a minute? Haben Sie eine Minute? Do you have time? Haben Sie Zeit? Do you have a dog with the informal you, the du? Hast du einen Hund? Do you have a cat? Hast du eine Katze? Do you have a minute? Hast du eine Minute? Do you have time? Hast du Zeit? Does he have? Hat Does he have a dog? Hat einen Hund? Does he have a cat? Hat eine Katze? Does he have a minute? Hat eine Minute? Does he have time? Hat Zeit? That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like, bitteschön. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.